Are you ready for a bathroom makeover before and after? Because we don't need a long intro. You know behind this door is a very ugly 90s looking bathroom. Let's get it remade over. Don't forget to like this video and definitely subscribe. Let's go. Alright, so to begin with, right here, this is a custom size vanity. So right off the bat, that's caused us a big issue. And so we decided to leave the vanity and we're going to paint both vanities because we have another one over here. And we're having new countertops installed. This is the countertop that we picked out. And so to start off, we're gonna rip up these countertops on both sides and get that all out of the way, and then we're gonna get these vanities painted. Originally we were gonna paint them gray to match my kitchen downstairs, but we have decided to go ahead and do them white because of the color of the countertops that we picked, and then of course put in a new floor. So this is what we are getting ready to do. We also have like this little cabinet over here that'll have to be painted. And then of course, we're gonna be painting the walls. Okay, it's demo time. For this demolition, we are trying to be careful because we don't want to hurt the cabinets, and we're also trying to keep the integrity of those mirrors intact. And so we had to be a little bit more careful, so it wasn't quite as fun as it normally can be. So here I'm just preparing the wood to be painted. I am cleaning all the cabinets with TSP, which is trisodium phosphate. It does an awesome job of getting all the grime and just really getting the surface prepared for the paint. So now we are just priming the doors now that they're all prepped and ready to go for paint. And Jason's just using our sprayer that we picked up. It's just an inexpensive sprayer, but it actually does a really nice job. No, we are not professional painters, and I'm sure you can critique our painting, but it actually turned out amazing. And so we just prep all the cabinets with Kills, which does an amazing job, and then we'll go from there and get them all painted. Okay, cabinets are all painted, floor's all ripped out, looking good. So now I have a little bit of touch-up work to do, put hardware on, and countertops are getting installed today. Yeah! Before the countertops get installed, we decided to go ahead and get the room painted so we wouldn't have to worry about that. And we did our traditional way where I do all the intricate trim work while Jason usually rolls the walls. Works out perfect for us. Okay, new hardware is all installed. We decided to go with a black matte finish for the entire bathroom, and our new countertops are in and the new faucet. Plumbing's working! A nice way to spruce up your bathroom is to change the electrical outlets and sockets. Ours was from the 90s, so it definitely needed some love. Okay, now we're just prepping the floor for tile work, and oh my goodness, Jason probably wanted to murder me when he saw the tile that I picked out, but I absolutely love it, and he did an amazing job. That pattern, oh my goodness, it really pops and just really honestly makes the whole bathroom. I picked a charcoal grout, and yes, it was kind of a pain to work with, a little bit messy, but it ended up turning out perfect. We had to move the toilet off over into the grandkid room, but hey, when you're doing remodel jobs, everything is a mess, but it all turns out perfect. Just needed to do a little bit of touch up after all that tile work in there. And then, as you already have probably seen if you watch my channel, we did this awesome frame for our mirror. I'll link that up above so you can watch how you can make that. We framed all of our mirrors in the bathroom for only $7 and they turned out so beautiful. Okay, so to finish off the floor on this side of the bathroom, I chose the flooring that I've put in the other rooms upstairs, so just that way it all goes together, and oh my goodness, it turned out so beautiful. I really feel like the flooring really makes this whole bathroom. This new shower rod was so stuck in the box I could not get it out. I'm gonna let you know that I went to the store 3 different times and finally chose the shower curtain that went best with the floor because the pattern on the floor made it a little difficult. And then on top of that, I really decided to get crazy and wanted the black matte fixtures in the bathtub. And so we had a sweet friend who came over and helped us, but we had to cut a hole in the wall, but it ended up turning out amazing. Okay, time to do the final touches. We're just adding some cord around the flooring just to finish it off, and then I'm gonna start doing a little decorating. Look what Jason made me. I'm so excited. He made me a shelf to match the frames that we did around the mirror. Ah, it's so cute. Turned out perfect. I used a combination of some decor like these pictures here that I already had, but then had a fun time purchasing some new stuff, those cute little Ray Dunn photos. I love that. That was found at Home Goods. And then the little sign up above here that says, "My aim is to keep this bathroom clean, your aim will help." That was found at Kirkland's. I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeover. We'll see you guys next time.